सम्मानित अभिभावकगण एवं प्यारे बच्चों, सादर नमस्कार। भारत के प्रथम शिक्षा मंत्री मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद जी के जन्म जयंती के सुअवसर पर आयोजित राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा दिवस, जो कि 11 नवंबर को प्रतिवर्ष मनाया जाता है, इस सुअवसर पर मैं आप सभी को केंद्रीय विद्यालय नासिक रोड कैंप की ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूँ। शिक्षा एक अनवरत चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है। मनुष्य पूरे जीवन सीखता रहता है और अपने जीवन को विशिष्ट बनाता है। शिक्षा मनुष्य की अंतर्निहित शक्तियों को, उसकी सामर्थ्य को विकसित करती है और उसे सामान्य से विशिष्ट की ओर ले जाती है। संस्कृति उसको नई दिशा और दशा प्रदान करने का जो कार्य है वो शिक्षा ही संपन्न कर पाती है। ऐसे राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा दिवस के सुअवसर पर मैं पुनः एक बार आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूं और कामना करता हूं कि आजन्म आप सीखते रहेंगे और अपने जीवन को निखार कर कुंदन बनाते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Good morning, everyone. It's my honor to speak on the occasion of National Education Day. Every year, India celebrates National Education Day on 11th of November to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was the first education minister of independent India. On 11th September 2008, the Ministry of Human Resource and Development decided to celebrate 11th November as National Education Day to recall the contributions of Maulana Azad in the field of education. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the key architect of education in India. He was the person behind the setting up of various educational institutions, including the IITs, which are imparting the best education in our country. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad said that schools are the laboratories where the future citizens of a country are produced. He was the first Vice President of independent India and the first education minister who served from 1947 to 1958. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad believed that education imparted from heart can bring about revolution in a society. He also said that you have to dream before your dreams come true. In the end, I pay my humble tribute to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and I also express my best wishes to all the students, teachers, and all the educators who are involved in the field of education. Thank you very much.
National Education Day. Why it is celebrated on Maulana Abul Kalam Azad birthday? November 11 is observed as the National Education Day every year to celebrate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was independent India's first education minister and innovator of the education system in the country. He was a reformer and acknowledged for his contribution towards the nation building through education. The Bharat Ratna recipient is the man behind establishing the IITs along with many key institutes in the country. The first IIT in India, that is IIT Kharagpur, was set up in 1951 and for setting up of the University Grants Commission UGC in 1953 and development of the Indian Institute of Science IISc in Bangalore. The Sangeet Natak Academy, Sahitya and Lalit Kala Academy from 1953 to 1954, which promote education and culture, was founded by Azad, adding a feather to his cap. He composed poetry, in Urdu as well as treat as an religion and philosophy. Our Prime Minister Modi ji acknowledged the importance of reforming education and formed a committee who recently introduced National Education Policy NEP, which is on the guideline of Abul Kalam Azad's thought, that is for democratic approach and universalization of education. He focused some issues, that is primary education all over country. There should be 3 languages, that is state language, then Hindi will be medium of instruction, but English will be as an important second language. Then third is elimination of illiteracy up to secondary standard and education for adult and women.